So today I'll be showing you how to stop people from embedding your Instagram posts in their websites. And we can do that by disabling website embeds. So this could be just regular posts. It could be Instagram Reels. If you don't want people embedding those into their websites, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page, and then tap on this three-line button here. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. And on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down to Sharing and Remixes. Tap on that. Then under Sharing and Remixes, if you scroll down, you should see Allow Website Embeds. And that's on by default. So if you want to stop people from embedding your posts in their websites, you need to just turn off Allow Website Embeds. Okay, it's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.